Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SUBBARAJU'S Learning Hub. Today we will talk about decimal numbers in mathematics. Students of primary classes feel difficulty with the concept of decimal numbers, but in fact, all concepts of mathematics, decimal numbers is also easier to learn, and but what we need is concentration on the topic. Now let us start our topic with the definition of a decimal number. A decimal number is a rational number. We know what rational numbers are. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called natural numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called whole numbers. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are called integers, integral numbers. And in addition to natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers, the fractional numbers include rational numbers. Rational numbers include all natural numbers, whole numbers, integral numbers, as well as fractional numbers. So, a decimal number is a fractional number or a rational number. That means it can be written as a fractional number. And the denominator of a decimal number is 10, 100, 1000, or the multiples of 10. See here, a decimal is a rational number or a fraction in which the denominator is 10 or power of 10. 10 or power of 10. We know that power of 10 power of 2 is 100, 10 power of 3 is 1000, 10 power of 4 is 10,000, like that. See here, power of 10 means 10 square, 10 cube, 10 power 4, etc. Examples of decimal numbers are 1 by 10, 3 by 100, 7 by 1000. The denominators here are 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 1 million, etc. So these numbers are called decimal numbers or decimal fractions. So decimal fractions, decimal numbers can also be expressed as 0.1, 0.03, 0.007. These fractional numbers are expressed as 1 by 10 can also be expressed as 0.1, 3 by 100 can also be expressed as 0.03, and 7 by 1000 can also be expressed as 0.007. Now let us see the place values of decimal numbers. Place values of decimal numbers. Friends, before going deep into the discussion, I think you are all enjoying my videos. If you enjoy this video also, please like it, share it, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider to subscribe it and activate the bell icon to get the updates of my videos. Okay friends, place values of decimals. We know the place values of on whole numbers, that are thousands, hundreds, units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, etc. The place values, when we include decimals in the place values, we can write like this: thousands, hundreds, tens, units. And then beyond units we have tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. So that is means it is 1/10 part, 10th part, 100th part, and 1000th part. See here, the value of the number is this we read as 4736 decimal 543. You cannot read it as 543 because it is not 543. It is only 5 tenths, 4 hundredths, and 3000. So we read this number as 4736 decimal. It can also be read as point. 4736 decimal 543. Let us see the real value of the number. It is in thousands place. So the value of 4 is 4000, and the value of 7 is 7 into 100, 700, and the value of 3 is 3 tenths, that is 30, and the value of 6 is units place, because it is in units place. The value of 6 is 6, and the value of 5 is 5 tenths, and the value of 4 is 4 hundredths, and the value of 3 is 3 thousandths, 3 thousandths. So this is the value of the number. So you can write any given decimal number in this place value, like this place value given here. Okay friends, now let us discuss addition or subtraction of decimals. To know more about decimal numbers, we study the addition and the subtraction, addition or subtraction of decimal numbers. Now let us add 4.7, 3.37 and 0.134. 4.7 plus 3.37 plus 0.134. So to make our addition easier, we have to consider the maximum number of decimals in the given number. See here, the third number has, this number has 3 decimals. 3 decimals. So to make our addition easier, to calculate easily, we make all decimals to 3 places. See here, 4.7. 4.7 can also be written as 4.700. So the value of a decimal number does not change if you add any number of zeros on the right side of it. So 4.7 is equal to 4.700, and 3.37. Since we need 3 decimals on the right side, it can be written as 3.370. That means 3.37 and the 3.370 are equal numbers, and we have 0.134. So we add we add the natural or the whole numbers from the right side. In the same way, we also add the decimal numbers as we calculate, as we perform addition in whole numbers. See, in units place we have 4, here 0, again here 0. So the sum of all the numbers in the units, that is thousandths place, is 4. And in hundredths place we have 3, 7 and 0. We know that 3 and 7 when we add, we get 10, and 1 is written here, and 0 is written here, and 1 is borrowed to the next place. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, and 5 plus 7, 12. So 2 is written here, and 1 is borrowed to the next place. So 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 0, 8. So when we add 4.7, 3.37 and 1.34, we get 8.204. This is the way we add any number of decimal numbers. So we should not forget that. We should remember that the decimal number, the value of a decimal number does not change if you add a 0 on the right side, on the extreme right side of the given number. That means 4.7 can also be written as 4.70 or 4.700 or 4.7000 and so on. So let us come to the subtraction of decimal numbers. We have to subtract here 3.47 from 8.7. 8.7 minus 3.7. Here we have 2 decimal points, and here we have only 1 decimal point. So to equalize the number of decimals, we write 8.7 as 8.70. 8.70 minus 3.47. So in the same way, we add the whole numbers and subtract the whole numbers. we perform the subtraction from the right side. So 70 minus 47, you can write 70 minus 47 is 23, and 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 minus, so 8.7 minus 3.47 is 5.23, 5 decimal 23. So friends, this is all about decimal numbers. We should revise what we have learned so far. A decimal number is a rational number, that means a fractional number of which denominator is either 10 or power of 10. That means 1 by 10, 3 by 100, 7 by 1000, 44 by 10,000, etc. are decimal numbers. And decimal numbers can also be expressed as 0.10, 0.03, 0.007, and 0.0043, like this. And the place value of decimals, we know that when we move in the place value chart from left to right, the value of the place decreases by 10 times. See here, it is thousands place, and when we move one place to right side, it decreases by 10 times, that is hundreds place, and again decreases by 10 times, it is tens place, again decreases by 10 times, and it is units place. And again, if you move beyond units place, we do not have these numbers in natural numbers and whole numbers, in integers also, but in decimals we have numbers less than 1, less than units place. So if you move one place towards the right side from units, it is 1/10 of units place. And again 1/10 of tenths are 1/100ths of units, and 1/10 of hundreds are 1,000ths of units, or 100ths of tenths, like this. So this is the place value chart. If you understand the place value of decimals, it will be easier for you to perform additions and subtractions. We will talk about multiplications and divisions in our later session. We will meet in our next session. Until then, have a great time. Thank you.